How to start a group chat in Microsoft Teams. This tutorial shows you how to bring multiple people into one conversation. First, open the Teams app on your Android device. From there, tap the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap the pencil or new chat icon at the top right. At this point, start typing the name of the first person you want to add. Following this, tap on their name once it appears in the results. From here, tap the small down arrow or expand icon that shows up next to their name field, since this reveals options for adding more people. At this stage, type in the next person's name and tap it to add them as well. Following this, keep repeating this for everyone you want included in the group. From here, once everyone's added, tap the pencil icon or group name field at the top. At this stage, give the group chat a name so it's easier to identify later. Following this, type your first message in the text field at the bottom. From here, tap Send. Once sent, Teams creates the group chat and everyone added will be able to see and reply to the conversation going forward. That's how you start a group chat in Microsoft Teams. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.